Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have another of my weekly nail art tutorial videos for you. On Tuesdays, I'm trying to bring you some nail art tutorial videos, and these are typically done based on the themes that are hosted through our Facebook group. And this week's theme is hosted by me, and I decided to do Into the Woods. We could have approached this theme in two ways. One could have been inspired by the musical Into the Woods, or the other way was just to get inspiration from the woods, from the animals and plants, trees that you can find in the woods. And I think it's very important to kind of keep our mental health alive and going outside into the nature. So that's what kind of inspired my collab idea for today. I do hope that you will enjoy it. If you do, then don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here or coming from the other channels, then welcome. I do hope you will like what you see here, and if you do, then don't forget to also subscribe to my channel before you leave. I will have also linked for you everything in the description box, all the links to the ladies who joined me for this collab, and also at the end of my video you will find the pictures that were created for this collab. And in today's video I will be using a nail polish that was sent to me from MoonShine Mani for review purposes, and I just really like the nude effect for theme itself, so that's why I decided to include it in today's video. Alright, that's it for my rambling. I'm really out of breath today. Nothing is wrong, I just walked up the steps, I promise. But if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them for me in the comment section. Keep watching my tutorial, and thank you so much for all your support, and I will be back with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.